What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for stopping by for day 3 of Blue Blood Week. Yes, so this is day 3's look. I hope you guys enjoy it. If you want to see how I ended up creating this look, this very tropical vacation editorial wet blue blood look, then keep watching this video. Alright, you guys, this is the look that I created for day 3 of Blue Blood Week. I just thought about having, you know, like gloss on my eyes, just that wet Kim K hair look that everybody's rocking. I don't think anyone would wear this out. Like, I don't think you're gonna go to the movies and throw this look on. But this look is just a fun look to do with this palette. We are coming back tomorrow with another two more videos for you guys on Blue Blood Week. So that is it for today's video. If you guys enjoyed this video and you like me and you like Blue Blood and you want to join my YouTube and Instagram family, go ahead and click that button and subscribe, and don't forget to follow me on my social media, which is linked down below. And as always, thank you guys so much for watching this video, for liking me, for supporting me. I always appreciate you guys so much, and I will see you tomorrow for tomorrow's 4th Blue Blood Week video. All right, you guys, thank you guys so much for watching. Bye. Adios.